Hey everybody, just another quick update. Before we get into it, I want to remind you to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can be made aware every time we put out a new video. Today's update is going to come to us from the Islands of Adventure side of things. It looks like the Incredible Hulk roller coaster is being closed. We don't know why. There was repair work being done on it. We did see a lot of tech people around today using cranes to work on the track, as well as down low. We saw some repair work being done. We don't know when it's going to be reopened. We were told to check the app, and they'll be posting updates on that. But we really have no information other than that. So if you're at the park today, doesn't look like you're going to be riding on the Incredible Hulk roller coaster, and who knows how long it may be. That's your update for today. Hey guys, be well. God bless you. Go bless somebody else today and watch what amazing things happen in your life. We'll see you.